In this video tutorial, I'm going to walk you through how you can easily integrate Genovo with Curo, the back-office software from Time4Advice. I will also show you how, having set up the integration, you can seamlessly pull both client and plan data from Curo into Genovo with a couple of clicks, saving you lots of time as you'll never need to rekey this information. It's really easy to set up the integration for your company and its users. All you need to do is send Genovo a support ticket and ask us to contact Time4Advice on your behalf to request that they activate the integration for your company's Curo account. Provide us with the username of the Curo user accounts you want the integration activated for, and confirm which Curo user account should be linked to which user within your Genovo account. We will contact Time4Advice and ask them to set up the integration for your company. This could take up to 48 hours. As soon as we receive confirmation from Time4Advice that the integration for your Curo account has been activated, we will then activate the integration for your Genovo account and confirm by return email that this has been actioned. Once the integration has been set up and activated for your company, you will notice that the status of the Curo integration now shows as active and verified in integrations accessed from the Genovo dashboard. Okay, now that your integration is active and verified, you can pull Curo data into Genovo. So let's take a look at how this works, starting with clients. The clients that you pull across from Curo will be stored in the Client and Report library within Genovo, which you can access via the library's dashboard. However, when you want to write a report for a new or existing client, this is done via Write Report. So, as an example, let's say I, Patricia Paraplanner, who's been added to my company's Genovo account as a writer user, want to write a report to Simon Sample on behalf of Andy Advisor, who's been added to the account as a reader user because he doesn't write any of his own reports. To add a new client, click the relevant Add Client button and you'll be directed to the Add Client window for the selected type of client. If you're subscribed to a multi-user plan and View All Users Clients/Reports has been activated for your Genovo account, you'll notice a drop-down box at the top of the window containing a list of other users on your account. It's here that you can select the user whose client library you're adding the client to, like so. As an integrated user, you'll also notice the Add from CRM button. To import a client from Curo, simply click the button and a new window will open like so. You can use the search function to locate the client you want to add, and any results matching your search will be displayed below. It is important to note that you will only be able to view the clients that you see when you log into your own Curo account. So, if a client does not appear in your search results, please check your Curo settings and permissions in the first instance. To import a client, click the Add Client hyperlink, and the data contained in any integrated fields, those marked up with a green border, will be automatically inserted like so. Click Save to add the data into the client library, and you can then edit any integrated fields should you need to, and complete any of the non-integrated fields as required. On clicking Save and Exit on the last tab, or closing the window with the X, you'll be returned to the Write Report page, where you'll see the client has been added to the selected clients list, and an integration icon has been included to the left of the client's name to indicate that they are an integrated client. It is also worth highlighting that the integration is currently only one way, so if you do make any changes to the client data in Genovo, this won't sync back to Curo. Having created an integrated client within Genovo, you can quickly and easily refresh the data contained in the integrated fields at any time. To refresh an integrated client, click the Edit icon and then click the Update from CRM button like so. You'll notice that only the integrated fields, highlighted with a green border, will update. Any data you have saved in any non-integrated fields will remain as is and won't be overwritten. Click Save, then close the window and you're done. Okay, next let's have a look at plans. So let's say we are reviewing Simon Sample's existing ISA and GIA with Transact. This review would take place in the Review of Your Existing Investments section, so we add the section to the Report Builder, click on the Enter Wizard section icon, and then click Add Plans from CRM. You'll see a new window showing a list of all Simon's investment plans, including a brief summary of the plan information to help you identify the plans you want to import. You can add as many plans as you want in one go by selecting them with their checkbox. In this example, I'm just reviewing Simon's Transact plans, so I click the appropriate checkboxes and click the Add to Plans button at the bottom. The plans are then added to the plan summary table, and an integration icon is shown to indicate that they are integrated plans. You can then, as with integrated clients, edit any integrated fields, should you need to, and complete any non-integrated fields as required. If the plan has a linked portfolio in Curo, you will also notice that a current investment strategy is automatically created for the plan, and all the underlying investments, as well as their charges and allocations, will be automatically pulled through from Curo into Genovo. Having added a plan for an integrated client within Genovo, you can then really easily update the data contained in the integrated fields at any time, for example at their next annual review. As with clients, when you update an integrated plan, only integrated fields will update. Any data saved in any non-integrated fields will remain as is and won't be overwritten. To refresh an integrated plan, click the Update from CRM button. Having updated the plan, you can then edit any other fields as necessary. Click Save and you're done. You can also unlink a plan from Curo by clicking the Unlink from CRM button. This does not remove the plan or any of its data from Genovo, but it breaks the link between the plan in Genovo and the plan in Curo. Note that you can also unlink a client from Curo. This can only be done from the Client and Report library, and not when you're creating a report. Before I wrap up, I just wanted to make you aware that there is a section dedicated to the Curo integration in our knowledge base, which you can access at any time by clicking the knowledge base icon in the Genovo sidebar. In here, you'll find lots of useful articles on how to set up the integration and what client and plan data can be pulled in via the integration, amongst others. So that concludes this video tutorial on how to set up and use the integration with Curo. I hope it's proved useful.